Shout out to the homie Sean. Even though he's a LeBron hater, and I'm gonna stop saying that. He told me to stop saying that. But even though that, we still got cool, man. He was talking, I want to say this was in the homie Antoine just doing live stream. Sean was talking about these. The MyAudioSession Bluetooth headphones with audio personalization. Now, I didn't get in on the Neurophone hype, and those were supposed to be able to like tune the music and everything specifically for your hearing to give you better sound. Supposedly these do something like that. I think they got an app. We gonna check it out. Let's look at the box and see what's good. They have an audio enhancement processor. It measures your hearing ability with the in-app test, create a personal audio profile specifically tailored to your ears, listen in real time as the integrated digital audio processor uses your custom profile to enhance your music. Let's just open these up. I've had these for about a week. Haven't opened them up, so I'm really fiending to get in here. Let's see, y'all can see what's going on. I can't even see what's going on. What do we have? We just got a case. We just got a nice case. So, oh man, this case. Wow, this case is nice. You got the MyAudioSession. You got their logo right here. Little handle for carrying. What is this material? Just a little cloth material. Real nice. Nice little branding here. Let's open that up. Let's see what we get. Let's see what it looked like. Oh man, okay. Got some more paperwork. Wireless charging function, how to sync and apply audio profile. So we're gonna hold on to this. Usually, I know all the reviewers like to throw it away and whatnot to be cool. We're gonna hold on to that because it's an app here. I don't wanna miss out on anything. So we got this nice little bag here. Is that velvet? Nice little bag. See what we have in here. What is this? Wow. You get the wireless charging pad. That's pretty cool. All right, okay, let's see what's up. Well, let me get too hype early. What cable is this? Let's see. USB micro, man. You know what I'm saying? Would have been dope if it was USB-C, but USB micro, that's cool. And you get your 3.5 millimeter aux cable. Looks like a play and pause button. One side angled. You get the other side regular. So let's get that out the way and let's look at the headphones. Wow. Okay, they say this is a leather exterior. I don't know if it's protein leather or it's real leather, but this looks nice. You have this outside leather exterior. I hadn't planned on doing any B-roll, but I got to get some B-roll of these. Little cloth cushioning right here, nothing too serious, but it's good to have. This is pretty standard. You got big memory cushion ear pads. These are always lovely when you get the big memory cushion ear pads. They already feel soft. I know it's gonna be like two big old breastises just relaxing on your ear. Let's see. Don't seem to have that much. I got a big dome. Hopefully this will work. A little bit of extension right there. On the left side here, you have your power button. You have a volume rocker. There's your charging port, so you can plug these up to charge. And then I'm guessing this is the 3.5 millimeter jack. Pull that out. You can plug your aux cable in. If you're looking for a super light headphone, these are not it. But I'm guessing the audio processing in here is what adds a little bit of weight. Now, I personally like a little bit of weight, gives it a nice little heft, makes it feel like you're getting a quality product. Why don't I just try these on now and see what's good? Left side. Okay, yeah, there is a little bit of heft. These are kind of heavy. Oh man, those memory cushion. If you ever had anything like the Brainwaves XL pads that come with nice thick ear pads, it just feels so good on your head. These are totally over ear, especially for me with my little ears. Yeah, man, these are nice. Let's download the app and open it up. MyAudioSession right here. Let's go ahead and install that. Can I just say something real quick? All of these apps needing you to log in and creating accounts and data mining and all of that. Like, I'm over it. I really am. I know it's only going to get worse, but everything that you need, you have to create an account and this, that, and the third just to use it. I just want to use some headphones. Let's go ahead and log in and count. MyAudioSession customizes sound to your ear sensitivity. This process takes just a minute or two. It gives you a nice little video for those who don't know how to pair or whatever. So it's in pairing mode. I don't know if y'all can see the blue and the red. It's in pairing mode. Honestly, man, you people who have such hard time with Bluetooth, I mean, I get it, but I don't. So now you're in the app. You want to select the headphones. Connect it. Click up here. Create audio profile. So let me put these on just in case I need to be hearing something. Turn the dials for each frequency until you can barely hear the tone and save the finished profile. So I just want to turn this down. Right now there's a bump, there's a humming in my left ear. Let's see, let's just turn it down. Okay, I can barely hear that. Now we're just doing this at different frequencies in each ear. Ooh, it's hot, man. It's hot in this Texas. It is hot. I was at the pool yesterday. The boy was getting it, all types of. I was, you know what I'm saying, right stroke, left stroke, what's the best stroke? I was getting it. This is the end of the test. Please enter a profile name. So I'm guessing you could create different profiles. So if I don't like this profile, you could probably come in here and edit it or maybe create a different one. I would come up here to my audio profiles. Yeah, so now I can sync this profile to the headphones. So before we do that, let's listen to some music regularly and hear what it sounds like. What song do I want? Let me go into my music. If you remember a group from the early 2000s, they were down with Quantum. That's Blackalicious, Lyrics Born, Latif the True Speaker, all of that. Their name was the Lifesavers. Does anybody remember these guys? They were amazing to me. They got a song called Hello Hi Hey. Let's listen to it regularly, hear what it sounds like with no audio profile in these headphones. Let's hear how it sounds. You're rubbing me the wrong way. Hello Hi Hey. Anyway. Okay. I've been listening to this song since about last night, in the car, different headphones. Here is my one Audio Fusion A7s. This is what I was using to listen last night. So this is a song from about 2000. I won't say it's the best mastered or mixed song, but I definitely can hear the panning of the instrumentation. The spacing is really nice. Let me try a song that I'm really familiar with from my headphone test. Y'all have heard me listen to this song before. I'm really familiar with this song, so I'll be able to pick out things that I maybe noticed I probably wouldn't notice with other songs. So let me just go ahead and try this. Turn these up. Woo! That bass is hard. Woo! I'm getting the pairing. Wow. Oh, wow. Oh, man. Okay, I actually had to turn it down so I could focus because that bass was starting to get a little bit loud. Like, it's got a nice solid thump. That song has a nice bass line. So when you got some headphones that can play it, it will definitely hit. Wow, that was intriguing. I've done enough playing. Let's go ahead and turn on the profile. So we're gonna sync that. Let's go in here, my audio profiles, and we're gonna sync. Oh wow, it shows you the profile that you selected, how you have it tuned. Let's hit apply. My screen went black. What's happening? Nothing's happening. Oh, there was an issue. That's not good. That's not good. All right, let me come back to y'all. Let me see if I can do something, because now it seems like the headphones won't even turn on anymore. I don't know. I may have bricked them. Just doing what I was supposed to do.
One eternity later.
All right, man, we back in. I don't know what that was. What I did was I took out the charger cable, plugged it up, the light came on. Then I tried the wireless charging pad. Let's talk about that real quick. All the functionality is on the left side, but you actually charge it on the right side. So you just place that down. After we test some music, I'll try that out. Hopefully I remember. But let's get back into there. So I'm gonna go back into the same song. Like I said, it already sounded amazing. These already sound pretty damn good. Let's go back into that same song now that it's synced. I don't know what happened the last time, but on this one, I was able to sync the audio profile to the headphones. You just select the profile, hit sync, and then it'll say start the transmission, and then it'll load for a few seconds, and then it says synced. So right now it says synced. Yeah, it says synced. So we're going to try that out. I'm going to listen to the same song, Funky Ride by Outkast. Let's hear what it sounds like. Okay. Sounds good. Okay, I want to be able to go back and forth. Let me see, is there a way to... Thank God that I kept the manual around. It says that you can turn the audio profile off by pressing the multifunction button twice. So I just turned it off. Let me go back into the song and hear if I hear the difference. Okay. It got you feeling kind of crazy. So let your spirits fly. Oh, and enjoy the ride. Okay, pressing the multifunction button once will pause and play your music. The volume rocker is a volume rocker. Let me see if it changes the song as well. If you press it up or down, it will change the volume. If you hold it up or down, it will change the song. I'm listening to Aretha Franklin's Skylark because that sounds amazing on a great pair of headphones. So this isn't regular. I'm listening to it without the profile on. Honestly, these sound good without the profile. Let's turn the profile on. Woo! Okay, wow. Okay, wow. Wow, wow. Wow, what? Wow. Okay. Wow. All right. Okay. One thing to note, like I said, these are kind of heavy. These are big, heavy, cushiony ear pads. So if you're in a hot room with no air conditioning on in the middle of Texas with no fan spinning and you sweat a lot, you will sweat a little bit inside of these ear cups. You know, I turned everything off so I could give y'all a good recording, but usually I'd have the AC blowing, fans on and everything. Let's talk about this real quick. Oh, before we get to that, like I said, you put it on the right side. So let me see if y'all will be able to see this. So got your little wireless charging. You put it on the right side. And the light should come on. It's charging now, so that's cool to have. You don't have to plug them up. You could keep this by your bedstand, or y'all know what to do with wireless charging. It's not nothing new, you know. It's kind of new for me because I don't have any wireless charging devices, so that's pretty cool. I'm down with that. I dig that. So I wanna phrase my words very well right here. I did a review of this $10 little music amp. And basically I said for $10, can this make your music sound better? So with a wired headphone, you plug it into that, you plug that into your phone, and it had two modes on it. It had just a standard mode where it was like a boost mode where it made everything sound really good. Then it had like a secondary boost mode that took it to a next level. And that one was kind of not for me, but that regular boost mode was like, yo, I still suggest anybody for $10, you go pick that up. You hit that button. Your headphones already sound good. they just sound so much better. It's just like the perfect EQ. That's similar to what's happening here, but this is so much better. The sound overall just becomes more full, more engulfing. The vocals sounded way more present. Like Aretha Franklin was like looking at me in my eye and singing to me about this skylark. The instrumentation really was just spectacular as far as I could really tell, where the piano was coming from, where I could hear a violin, over here. It just really opened up the sound and made it so much more of a pleasant listening experience. So, MyAudioSession personalized audio profile. Is it a gimmick? Is it trash? Can you go into your phone app and tune your EQ to get better sound? Yes, that is something you do. I never use my phone's EQ. I want to hear the sound the way the music was played. I never like really too much EQing on my side. I want to hear the music the way it was meant to be played, the way it was meant to be heard. Now, like I said, I did not try the Neurophones. I don't know how those work. There's plenty of reviews on those. No disrespect. I'm sure the people who love them, and they're amazing. To me, this is what I would want. A regular style headphones, 50 millimeter titanium drivers, without the profile. These sound pretty good. They sound like a good pair of headphones. Then when you activate beast mode and you kick in that profile, that was kind of me rushing through it for the video. Like, I might go in and really tune and fine tune an audio profile to get it the way I want, and your music just goes from like bam to like bam 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 bam. Like, it really kicks it up a whole nother notch. I feel like I'm in hype mode. I feel like I'm just overhyping it. Shout out to the homie Sean. Thank you for the recommendation. Thank you for introducing me to these. All I'm saying is, if you want to give them a try, I'll leave a link down below. I'm not sponsored by them. They didn't send these to me. I just wanted to try these out, and then I proceeded to be blown away.